like them. Jamming on the beat. Sells me out and doing like them.
Hi guys! Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and I'm here today with November's Icon Box. Now, if you're not familiar with Icon Box, you have to be subscribed to either the Ipsy Glam Bag or the Ipsy Boxy Charm. And every 3 months, they have the Icon Box, and that's when they have somebody come take it over. And you buy what they like. And yes, my lips are dark because I just got done doing another video. A little dark. But it's okay, because there might be something here to fix it. So this month, the icon was Lisa Vanderpump, which, you know, I don't really consider her much of an icon, but anyway, you get this magazine. It tells you all about your products and all that. Now, I did have some add-ons, so just so you know, and my box is full. Just so you know, I have some add-ons. I think I added this on, and nope. Oh, I think it might have been this. Yeah, this and this I added on. So I'm going to do this part first, and then I'll do my add-ons and show you what I got. So, let's see where we are here. I don't even know what I got, so I'm trying to look at it. Okay. Let's see. It is on that page. Okay, here's what I got. And of course, they wrote it so small you couldn't read it if you wanted to. Okay. Kat Von D Beauty Good Apple Transfer Proof Serum Foundation, and it's valued at $42, and that's this. And the color, the shade is Heaven Only Knows. That's the shade. We'll try to zoom in as if you can see it, because you know how it goes. It's like I know how it goes, but I've never tried Kat Von D foundation. I will tell you the truth. I've never tried it, and I kind of wanted to. So here we go. Come on, get out of there. Can't get it out. I'm trying the wrong side, maybe. Let's try the bottom. There, bottom came right out. Never fails. And this, I have never tried her stuff. Ever. It comes well packaged. And this is KVD. Now I'm going to try it on the other side of my track marks, because, you know. Oops, that's a little runny. As you can see, it's a little runny. Let's see how she does. Now, she's a tattoo artist, so I would imagine hers is probably pretty good coverage. You know, because some people, when they have tattoos, want to cover them up temporarily, you know, for movies or weddings and things like that, you know. So that's probably why she decided to do that. And, of course, the whole book fell to the floor. Okay, and then we do have this one. So it's on this page. Who is it? TARTE. Tartelette Juicy Clay Palette, and it's valued at $47, and it's this one. It's this one, and I've never tried Tarte eyeshadow, I'll be honest, because I'm poor. Let's be honest here, I'm poor. I tell you all the time how poor I am. It's cheaper to get these things in a box like this than at the store, because I can't afford it in the store. And I started getting these boxes, and it was kind of like, well, why would I go buy it in the store when I know I got more coming, because I do this channel. And these are the colors, and you do have a mirror, which I won't take the thing off, but I will These are the colors. And you could use, dude, that's pretty. I didn't think it was going to look like that. I didn't think that was going to look like that. This is the top row. Middle row. And that's the middle row. And I'll do the last row right here. Because, yeah, I'm interested too. Just like you guys. Now, it's very soft for me. That one's just the color of my skin tone, so it won't show. Right there's the color of my skin tone, so it will show. But, yeah, that's all of them swatched. It's very soft and silky feeling. So, yeah. Very soft and silky. No, I have not found my glasses yet. Mind your business. Still trying. Let's see what else we got here. What's this? Let's see what this is. Maybe if I get them out. Angel Face. Is that it? I think it is. Okay, is this it? This is Bobbi Brown Smokey Eye Mascara. Is that what it says? And this is $36. And we're just going to leave it in the package because I have so many open right now. We all know what mascara does. Okay. And I'm not sure, but I think this one's on there too. So we're going to see. Shit. I don't like to tear these up this time of year. Other times of year, I don't care. This time of year, I don't like doing it. Let's see what this is. Let's see what it is. Okay, this is not what I thought it was. This is Angel Face. And it might be here. Yeah, it's valued at $25. And it is what? Setting powder. And that's the setting powder. We'll see how good Ipsy's doing with my colors these days. Because when you first get on there, sometimes you'll have, you know, you have to go back. Oh, that's a perfect match. If you see, that's a perfect match. So that's cool. I'm starting to really get perfect matches from them. And when you first get them, sometimes they're a little off. Okay, let's see where this one's at. And this is a perfume. And it's Rose Bulgare. I don't know if this is the right one or not. Maybe it was this one. No, this is not it. I don't think so. No. This is Rose Bulgare. I don't know what it... That smells good. That smells real good. I don't know. I'm going to have to check and see if I missed it, maybe. Nope, didn't miss it. Okay. Okay, we're just going to... It might be over here. Okay, here's the ELEMIS. We'll go to this next. ELEMIS Skin Buff. Of course, ELEMIS is expensive. This is $38, which, let's be honest, I couldn't afford $38 for skincare even. You know, you figure you're paying $60 for the whole box, so you know. And this is called Skin Buff Cleansing Exfoliate. And that's what it looks like. Yeah, I couldn't afford $38 for a cleanser. I use Dr. Brandt, and he's about $10. So I can go 10. 30's a little, and that's what she looks like, and it's got a slight exfoliant in it. Okay, so we got that. I'll set that over there because I may give that to my sister. I got so many this time. So then we got, what is this? This is by Rosie Jane. Okay, this is the perfume I think that came in this one. And this was a $50 value. This is the perfume that came in this one. I know I ordered other perfumes because the price. You can't beat the price. Let's see. I'm just going to put it on this paper. Let's see, this is what the box looks like, and this is what the bottle looks like. You know, I have several perfumes right now, so when they offered them at $12, I'm thinking, hey, those would be great presents for Christmas, you know? Yeah, it smells good too. It smells, I don't know, I can't really place it what it smells like. Where did I see it? Down here it is. Let's see if it says the notes. Floral scent that says elegance to my moment. Adds elegance to my moment. And it is a floral scent, and I do like florals. I'm a floral person. I'm sorry. I know so many aren't, but so there's that. And then I got DERMELECT Rapid Repair Daily Amino Cleanser. And this is another cleanser. Let's see if I can find it. I did see it on here. Oh, this was number 1. And this is $38. This gel cleanses. It is a go-to to highly refresh and cleanses and revitalizes like a dream. Now, to me, it probably has the vitamin C in it is what's doing it. Amino acid. Repair. This is what it looks like. Sorry. This is what she looks like. If I can get that's what she looks like. So, I'm going to take the seal, because I have never tried DERMELECT, but everybody says it's great. Now, it is a gel, as you can see. It's a gel. It's not really going anywhere. And that will help color correct. It will remove your makeup. It will help plumpen a little bit to make it look repaired. Whether it is or not, I don't know, but it will plump it a little bit. As you can see the difference between that and that. There's, you know, like a glisten to it, but I haven't even wiped it off. So that's the actual box. Now I'll go through my 3 add-ons. Okay. Now my 3 add-ons, these were $12 a piece, I believe. If they're different, I will put it on the screen. Now this, I know, was one of the options in the box. And it's a Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. And we'll just... Okay, what do we do here? Oh. It has a little clip here. I'll get primed first. There we go. I didn't put any on today. I think I over-conditioned it when I washed it, so it smells good. I just like curls be, yeah, the ends to be out of this world. It does smell very good. I will give them that. And they have a locking mechanism so you don't waste it. That ain't it. A locking mechanism so you don't waste it. So I like that. I do like that. You have to lift it up and twist it to lock it. So I do like that. But this is also on her list. So let's just see. Oh, here it is. Probably at the bottom of the page. Silly girl. I found her. Let's see where what is it called? AMIKA leave-in conditioner, and that's a $25 value, and I got it for $12. I know I added it because I didn't get it. Okay, then I got this TOKYOMILK perfume. And it's TOKYOMILK Let Them Eat Cake. Give me another piece of paper because we're going to sample it. Now see, I don't know if you saw the spray on that. You get quite a bit in the spray. So I'm probably going to smell like a French whore again. Now that smells good. It's not really my kind of good, but it's something my sister and Glenda would both love. So this will probably be a Christmas gift. So it's probably going Glenda's way, honestly. So I'll just take the seal off of it and put it in her little bag. Oops, I forgot the lid. The lid is over here. Yeah, this is what she looks like when you get her. This is what she looks like when you take the lid off. But it smells like it has a little bit of outdoorsy in it. You know, so there's that one. And that was also $12. And then I got this one. We saw this one. This is Rose Bulgare. And it looks like that. And this one I did like. I can smell this one right out of the bottle because it's one of them rollers. It's just oil. It smells so good. Look at me giving you my arm to smell. Like you could smell it. Think I haven't been just overstimulated with them boys being here? Because Caleb and Daniel, they just feed off each other. And both of them have my crazy. So that kind of makes 3 crazies in one room. And it's like a little overwhelming to grandma sometimes. One at a time, I can do. No. So anyway, that's my Ipsy Glam Bag for November. And you have to be subscribed to Ipsy Glam Bag or Ipsy Boxy Charm in order to upsize to this. And I do the Ipsy bag because it's cheaper, and I was waiting for them to get their butt together when they took over the Boxy Charm. And so I think I'm going to go ahead and change mine to the Boxy Charm because you do get full-size items, because I really don't reach for samples often. And I thought, well, that's kind of wasting money too, because even people I give it to, are they really going to use the samples? I know they'll use the full size. So, yeah, sometimes people just get the samples and then it sits on the shelf. So I would rather give them something they're going to use. So that's what we're doing here. Hey, before I close out of here, this is also $12 add-on. This was also a $12 add-on. And this is a 5 cents. And this is what I have. I think it's supposed to be 5 cents. And it's Life of the Party. And this is what I have on. And I really, really like it. I almost hate to make it my signature scent, because every time I do, those people close. This is what it looks like on the inside. And I have it on. I really don't need another spray, but I do love this. And it's kind of fun. It just reminds me of fun. It's a little bit floral, but it just reminds me of fun. You know, like when you're at a party and like a garden party. That's what it smells like. A garden party. So, come on back. That's the plan. On the next billing cycle, I'm just going to go to the box. So, there we are. Come on back. Like, subscribe. Like I told you earlier, we've been to the Moondale Tunnel. We've been to the Mothman Museum. We've been up on the ridge ghost hunting. So whatever I can get out of that footage, because of course the grandson took the footage. Then the grandson proceeded to take the charger with him home. And then he proceeded to say, oh, I'll send you this stuff that he took on his phone. How he's going to send it to me, I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, like and subscribe. Do the YouTube stuff, you know. Old people need love too. Bye.